This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. Integrating with ShipStation will allow you to automate the fulfillment of your orders with ease. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and install ShipStation with your QuickBooks Commerce account. In your QuickBooks Commerce account, select Browse Apps, then ShipStation, then select Install App. Select Authorize to continue with the installation. You will need the information on this page, so please keep this window open. Open a new tab or window to log into your ShipStation account. Select Selling Channels, then Store Setup. Then select Connect a Store or Marketplace. Select TradeGecko if you don't see QuickBooks Commerce. Then copy the username, password, and URL to custom page information from your open window. Select Test Connection to make sure your details are correct. Select Connect to continue with the installation. Under Store Settings, update your store name to QuickBooks Commerce. The rest of your settings can be explored at a later stage, but for now, it's best to leave them as they are. Select Save Changes to continue. To check your store settings, select Store Setup to see your active QuickBooks Commerce store. And that's it! You have now successfully integrated your ShipStation account with QuickBooks Commerce, automating the fulfillment of your orders. Happy selling!